Just do a quick demonstration on touching these areas we've just filled. So as you can see, I'm using the mini roller just out of this little kettle here, like I used before. And with not too much paint on there, I'm just going in the areas that were filled, even where it still looks it's not dusty because we've brushed them off, and we're just getting the paint, covering these areas like this, so we've got no build up of the line of the roller, which I'll show you. You can get build up like that. Let's build up on the edges like that, if you can see it, but we don't want any of that in there, so we just want to ease it all out. So when we come to apply that finishing coat, it all just flows into it, giving us a nice solid finish. So I've done that on all of the bits of filler that I had, just getting it ready for its final cutting and a final coat of paint. Any area that we've broken through, so whether it was denibbing or where there was a filler in there that was just rubbed back, just get a coat into it. Just make sure there's no build up in there. Just like that. And that's what I've went and done all the way around, so where you could see all that filler, it is now all touched in and ready for its final coat.